not sure why. I might be retarded.
It's me.
Anyways,
again.
So I decided I'm going to actually upload this one. We're going to do a full video of everything we do, and I'm going to edit it and get it uploaded.
This bitch
That's
recording.
my goal. If I don't, Nick is punch me in my ass cheek.
Oh, okay. Sweet.
But
you heard it here first on my channel.
Okay. Well, today we're going to go out riding the four-wheeler. We actually were riding out earlier. My arm's all covered in mud. We decided to go give it a wash, and it's actually got more power now. It still sounds like shit because it's a little, you know, two-stroke 250, and this thing's
it's in the back.
So, needless to say, we're gonna go out and have some fun. Probably go jump it a couple times. Who knows? I don't have my helmet with me. There's a sheriff. How you doing, bud?
Well, you have your helmet. It's just broken because you ran it over.
It's still, yeah. Either way, we're gonna have some fun today. To kind of get you guys caught up with what's been going on, if you've been with me since I basically created the channel back in, when was it, 2016?
I think so.
So back in 2016, I actually lost a family member before I actually stopped doing YouTube. I didn't feel it anymore, and you know, I've got my license, yada yada yada. And if you guys also follow Nick's channel, you'll know he probably caught some of you guys up on it. Another thing I do want to mention to you guys is in 2017 I ended up buying myself a bunch of random shit, almost put myself into financial debt. Yeah, it was bad that year.
I mean, you ain't wrong.
Then the year, let's see, it was 2018. I was tried doing YouTube again. I just was not feeling it, so I decided not to do it. And as of last year, I bought myself a 1998 Dodge Ram 1500. We were going to do videos with it. We didn't care. We wanted to have some fun with it. Well, that ended up turning out to be another joke as well because
wheel flew.
The wheel decided to go south for the winter. I'll post a little picture of it at the end of the video. You guys will see what I mean. But
my arm's tired.
It was bad. That whole tire decided to go south for the winter. So we said, fuck it.
Wait, well, this
we're not going to record anymore. Well, now it's 2020, and I'm now starting to feel more. I'm actually in a different pickup right now. I'll give you guys a little tour of it here in a little bit.
My camera doesn't stay there, so that kind of sucks.
Enough of me chit-chatting.
Shit-chatting.
I hope you guys are doing okay. If you're still on this channel, like
I hope you're not.
How you guys doing? So let me know that you guys are still here. Do leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Rylan's sexy.
Rylan is literally dummy thick, though.
And we have a little story for you guys. I know this is kind of quick, but this happened just about 20 to 30 minutes ago.
Oh, yeah.
So we were up at a light. Now, it's a four-way stop light, and there was a car going, I think that's westbound. Northbound, sorry, it's northbound.
Northbound.
And I was, so north-south, east-west? I don't remember if I was going east or if I was going west.
Either of you are.
East.
Either or. You never know.
I was going east.
Oh.
And, no, that might be west. Either way, their car wouldn't start, the light turned green, and I was sitting at the light and I was looking at them going, what's going on? I want to go help, but my truck's out in the middle of the road, so it'd be kind of, weird. Either way, I decided to go and help them. I jumped out of the truck, got to them, and they got the car started, didn't know what was going on. They told me, and as soon as I got back to this was before I ran over to them, a big semi-truck hauling grain damn near rear-ended them. Thank God for good brakes. People were just going all over the place. It was a big mess. So that was a little interesting one. I could have watched somebody die today. Thank God I didn't, because then I wouldn't be here making the video for you guys. And also, I got a haircut, and it looks very good. I got the American flag imprinted on the side of my head.
You got that mullet. He's that mullet boy. I love how I'm not talking.
I apologize if you guys can't hear jack shit because of my muffler. I just realized that. I hope you guys can hear.
Yeah, you probably should have sound checked like beforehand.
We'll find out.
They can hear my video, so like when you're driving. So.
You realize your sis like literally.
Yeah, you're right at the muffler. I'm not.
Yeah, that's true.
Either way, anyways, guys, we're gonna drive down to the fairgrounds where we're gonna go and ride. So I will start recording.
There. I don't have any hands on the camera now because I'm smart like that. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording too because yeah, I don't fucking care. Bye. What's up, pussy smashers? It's your boy.
Serge, I'm gonna get the quad off the.
He just took a piss. An alcohol or root beer? Oh, that's fucking root beer. I'm just fucking gonna, yeah, I don't know what the fuck I was about to say. But, sure.
Get off of my quad.
Goodbye. There, perfect.
I don't think we're gonna, well, yeah, bring your helmet. Give me that. So I'm just gonna fill it up while we're here. I hope nothing happens and anything breaks while we're over there. Shit.
You're sitting there like, fuck.
All you hear randomly, whenever you start it, sounds like a fucking diesel. Just.
How to fuel up your quad 101. Step 1, stick your dick in it. Step 2, not give a fuck.
And then
Step 3, kill
after
yourself.
it, and then fucking blow your quad up.
Hell yeah.
Who gives a shit? Water. Or piss water.
You guys want some Mountain Dew?
Hell yeah.
So, it may look like Mountain Dew.
Goddamn, stutter boy.
It may not look like Mountain Dew.
He couldn't even finish his joke.
But it is Mountain Dew. It tastes really fucking great. Drink it
Yeah,
like
you'd
twice a
know.
day.
You know what everything tastes like, you dirty whore.
Fuck you.
Exactly.
Fuck it, I'm out of work.
You want me to ride on the back with you, and then we'll just take the fucking gas can.
He's walking, so.
Yeah, I'm just walking, so.
Sir.
Bye, I'm taking your phone with me.
Okay.
We're going on a trip this way. This is the Nick show from now on for Sage's channel, and for my channel, it's always been the Nick show. So fuck off if you don't like it. Quad might want to try and start at least. Dum-da-dum-da-da. Hey, if you guys stalk us, that's kind of creepy, but I'll kind of be turned on. So, yeah. Fuck my Hitleristic ass. Bum-ba-da. Ba-da-da-da-ba-ba-da. Oh fuck, shit. I'm gonna wait until they pass because I don't want to get fucking run over like a cunt. Oh, I hate recording for 2 channels at once. And the quad just died. Or they shut it off. One of the two. You'll never know. Fuck. This is nice. This is enjoyable. If anybody lives in these apartments, tell me, because that's pretty fucking lit that we were riding next to your place and we didn't even know. This is fun. We're not riding here. We're riding up there, over there, in a little area. Holy fuck! What's taking them so long? Can I not start the quad? Or what's going on? I'm walking back over there, fuckers. These fuckers. They literally, it's like they waited for me to walk back over there just to start the fucking quad back up like little cunts. God, I'm gonna fist fuck every person that they know. Except for the fact that they know each other and they know me. So I'm not gonna fist fuck every person they know. Because that'll be kind of fucking creepy, not gonna lie. If this vlog footage is shit, don't come at me. I'm holding 2 cameras at once. Please, that shit. Skirt that shit, bitches. Now I have to walk all the way up there. Fuck. 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 They're already over there. Oh fuck, I just dropped the phone nearly. Oh my god, I'm gonna die in a grave. Well, he's driving away. If I ride the quad and someone records it, don't judge me for being a little bitch because I haven't rode a quad that much. And I just fucking stopped talking for no apparent reason. Dum 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 dum. I mean, I could have just stopped recording and then cut back to when I got over there. I could have done that, but I'm dumb as fuck, so I didn't. I need to fucking exercise, holy shit. Holy fuck! Jesus, I don't know if the camera caught that, but Sage just fucking hopped. There he is again. Do. How long has these videos been? It's already been 7 fucking minutes of me walking. The fuck? Fucking Jesus!
I swear I saw the light when I did that. Woo! I almost ate
Hey,
shit.
you want to hold one of the cameras?
I almost ate shit.
Because I don't.
I'd put the helmet on if I were you. Be careful.
Hey, you want your camera back?
Yeah.
Or your phone, that is?
Nice areas, you guys probably saw. I was jumping here. Almost ate shit. But that's alright.
Your boy almost fucking died.
So, we're watching.
Okay, I'm gonna try vlogging like this. See how it is.
I was too late. I was still over here waiting over here. So, we're gonna jump a little bit. If something interesting happens, we'll get back to
Yeah, what he said. Hell yeah, man! This thing is so much fucking better.
It's so much faster ever since I washed it. That mud was hanging us down.
Yeah. He's trying it again. Oh, there he goes. Jesus fuck. Fucking hell,
She's
dude.
not. She has that much power to do fucking donuts. I didn't think I'd have that much power.
Yeah, I know. This is an actual interesting vlog.
Wait, did he stop recording?
He did. Fucking hell. Mother of fuck, that thing's way better.
Oh, she's definitely got some fucking horsepower.
Yeah. What was that? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
No, 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 no.
Oh fuck.
Please don't tell me.
Oh shit, the chain came off. Fuck.
Oh, fuck.
Undo the brake. The chain just fucking snapped. Come on, bitch.
Oh fuck.
Yep. Chain's broke. Right there. That's what I felt break when I fucking landed.
Fuck.
Yeah, we just need to go get a pair of pliers and shoot.
It's not gonna work. This chain is fucked. Now you can push it all the way back.
Oh well, that's just fucking great.
Entertaining vlog footage.
'Cause I can't bring my truck down there.
Fuck.
Hell yeah.
Fuck.
Let's do it.
But now we just have to get a chain.
So we barely lasted.
Barely an
A
hour.
little chain bitch went clink, clink, snap, snap. And now we had to fucking push it up. And a four-wheeler's heavy.
Yeah.
So,
Trying to push it from where the location is
Yeah.
all the way to here on the trailer.
like, fuck. Fuck you.
I had to brake when I turned a corner. Not while I was jumping. When I turned a corner.
Fucking hell,
I know
man.
what's gonna happen. People are gonna say, "Oh, that four-wheeler's not meant for." Yeah, well, fuck you. It's my four-wheeler. I can do what I want.
Yeah, bitch. Fuck
So,
you.
I'm gonna put the straps on,
Ay,
and we're gonna get out of here.
fucking hell.
We'll figure this out, and we'll get back to it.
So this video was fun, wasn't it?
I
Fuck's
don't
sake.
think I was recording that whole time.
Oh, are you fucking serious? He wasn't recording the whole
Did you
fucking
record?
time. Huh?
Did you record?
Yeah, I recorded some.
Did you get me?
Yeah, and now I'm getting you more.
Oh yeah.
Well, considering everything broke, we have to find another fucking thing to do. And
I'm not
we
gonna
don't
go for a ride
fucking
soon.
know.
I don't know. Man.
We're gonna figure out something to do,
Huh.
and we'll be back to you guys when that happens.
Well, I'll see you guys when we find something to do. Oh, it's fucking glorious.
Shut up, people. Okay, imagine this. You're sitting like this, and you think you're gonna fuck it up, and then you go on your ass cheeks. It scared the piss out of me. Like, what the fuck?
I was like, he's getting
I thought the suspension went up and through the fucking frame. I was like, oh.
I knew you were gonna freak out and like, watch this, he's gonna crash.
You're an asshole.
Got a blast, boys.
Fuck you. Stop.
Did you video that?
Yeah.